Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is V. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you again for coming. When you do subscribe, please hit the notification bell so when I post a new video, YouTube will notify you. Thanks again for stopping by. Today's video, I have a new palette from Beaute. It's the Flair palette. It's the first time I'm trying them. That was the packaging, that's the box, and it's the same color as the box. It comes with a mirror. The mirror, I don't want to blind you, and these are the colors. I'll do a couple swatches for you of the first three colors. The first three colors are 1, 2, 3. Those are the first three colors. I'll do a swatch for you. The first one is, need my glasses. First color is called Saffron. That is Saffron. Second one is Mirage. It's a shimmer. It looks like a shimmer or a foil color. So we're looking at Saffron and Mirage. The third color is Aubergine, and this is what Aubergine looks like. So these are the first three colors in the palette. The palette has a lot of beautiful colors. Full beautiful colors. Nice mirror. Nice mirror. You see me looking down, it's because mirror. Colors are so nice. So nice. Colors are pretty. I don't know how pigmented they are, so we will see. First time. I'm doing the outer corner right now. I'm using the color Acorn in the outer corner. Right here. Acorn in my outer corner. I did not put a base, so I want to see how the color is first. Whenever I get a new palette, I try to use it without a base, so I can see how true the color is. So if I'm liking this color, now I'm going into the color Pumpkin. Pumpkin looks like this. Using a big fluffy brush by Morphe. It has no number on it. I'm smoothing out my edges. I don't see a lot of pigmentation in here, so, or maybe it's just the color on my skin, but you can definitely build it up. Pumpkin is definitely, you have to build it up for sure. When you first put it, there's not a lot of fallout. I don't see fallout. It's just a buildable color. I'm using my glitter glue before I do the third color. Third color is this glitter right here. I'm putting this in the inner corner of my lid. I am pressing it in. This color right here is called Firefly. That is pretty. This is beautiful. I love it. Wow. Sherbet, my fourth color. It's like a neon green. And I'm putting this right here in the outer edge. This one is very pigmented. Now I'm doing eyeliner. I'm using the Sephora brand eyeliner. to take Acorn, which is the outer corner color, and I'm going to put it under my waterline. Second eye. Okay, ladies and gents, tell me what you think. I use the Beaute, I hope I'm saying the name right, Beaute palette. Gorgeous, beautiful. I'm using the MAKIAGE foundation. I love it. It matches my skin, gorgeous. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think about this look. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Weather's changing, colors are changing. I had to try Beaute. The colors I used today are Acorn in the outer corner, Sherbet right next to it in the outer corner. Then I use Firefly. I swatched some of them already. Firefly in a corner. And this color right here is Pumpkin, and Hazelnut. Oops, wrong finger. I don't want to mix them up. Hazelnut. So these are the colors. These are the colors that I used today. Outer corner, right next to outer corner is that green Sherbet, and then this color right here, which is this is Hazelnut. Above, it's in my crease, and Pumpkin is above my crease, and Firefly is in the inner corner of my eye. I'm using JUVIA'S blush. JUVIA'S Place blush is what I'm using. MAKIAGE is my foundation. I'm also using the Peach Nude by JUVIA'S Place. And this is the complete look. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember to love self plenty, and I will see you in another simple everyday eyeshadow look. The colors are beautiful. My honest opinion, they are nice. Very little fallout. Easy to apply. Love it. I'll be using it again. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get new videos from me. Thank you again for watching. And this is it. This is it. This is the Beaute. Beaute. This way, which way?